Going to do a bit of fried chicken today. It's very simple, skin on, bone in. We've got in there turmeric, we've got in there coriander powder, coriander leaves or cilantro, and some lemon juice. A couple of other bits. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So here I've got a chicken, a whole chicken that I chopped up. Skin is on, bone is in. That's a 1 kg chicken or a 2.2 pound chicken. Cup and a half of onion, a cup of cilantro or coriander, quarter cup of oil, I'm using sunflower, tablespoon of ginger garlic, and then a teaspoon each, salt, pepper, coriander and turmeric. Really simple. Get all of that in there, give it a mix, off to the cooker we go. So mixing bowl, let's get the onion in. I've sliced this, you can chop it smaller if you want. And the garlic, ginger, tablespoon of that, salt, pepper, turmeric, and the coriander powder. The fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you want to call that. A quarter cup of an oil just to sort of bring it together. I'm just going to give that a mix. As you can see, I've got my glove on. So, back in a minute. Okay, absolutely nothing to it. So we've got our pan there. No need to put oil in because we've got oil here already. We just drop the mixture of chicken in. And very simply, not too high, like I say, medium's good. We want to go for about 8 or 9 minutes, and we're going to be stirring it every now and then. 9 minutes, nice and gentle. Very simply, we're going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're going to let it go for about another 5 minutes, and that's it, job done. Really lovely. Okay, there you go. Just a really beautiful, simple fried chicken with some coriander and lemon flavors. Really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.